Children, I will tell you today's story in the evening. I promise.
All right, Amma. We will wait until evening. But you must keep your promise in the evening.
Don't worry. I won't do anything like King Vidyadhar, who started backing off after making a promise.
What promise did Raja Vidyadhar make? Amma, please tell us. We won't be able to wait until evening now, Amma.
All right, all right.
Wait! Prince!
No, I don't want to marry the princess.
If all the princes keep running away like this, I'll leave my kingdom and go somewhere else.
No, father. Don't say that. I'm ready for marriage.
Huh?
But I have one condition.
What condition?
I will marry the one who can take care of my rabbits and feed them for 1 whole month.
Listen, everyone! Whoever takes care of the princess's rabbits.
And within no time, this news spread like wildfire. Many princes came forward to try their luck by fulfilling the condition.
Give them the rabbits.
The rabbits created such a commotion that within a short time, all the princes left the rabbits there and ran away.
So many princes from different places came, but they could not handle these little rabbits. I don't see anyone far and wide who can complete this task.
Wonderful.
Pardon me, my king. I can fulfill your condition.
An ordinary shepherd?
No. What if he fulfills the condition? Will my daughter spend her entire life with him?
As per the announcement, we'll have to hand over the rabbits to him for now.
Princess, I have never seen your rabbit so happy. There is definitely something magical in the tunes of that shepherd's flute.
Is it? Well, that's interesting.
Influenced by the commander's words, Princess Tara secretly went to see all this herself. And seeing her rabbit so happy there, she couldn't believe it. Meanwhile, Kirti saw the princess sneaking around. And that's how they meet. And after that, they started meeting every day. As soon as the king gets to know about it, he becomes furious and makes a plan to stop Kirti from fulfilling the condition.
Wow! How beautiful. These rabbits are very adorable.
The king?
Can you give me at least one for my daughter? In return, I'll give you a gold coin.
Yes, why not? But for that, only a gold coin will not work. You will also have to do some other work, just like washing dirty clothes, giving a massage, and also polishing my shoes.
No one seems to be watching. And then, how many clothes and shoes can this shepherd have? I am ready. Oh my God, so much work. You made me do the work of the entire village. At least now give me a rabbit.
Yes, yes. Here you go.
Got it.
My king, where is the rabbit?
Here it is.
Wow, my king, you didn't just bring a rabbit, but also solved our problem. Hey, stop!
Oh, what have you done? Stop!
You are very special. The king himself took you on a tour of the palace.
Now it was Queen Ketki's turn to bring the rabbit.
Oh, wow. You play the flute so well. And these rabbits are so cute. I feel like taking them with me. Can I have one of them, please?
Why not? But I have a condition. You have to do some work for me.
I already knew this.
Huh?
Close all the windows and doors of this room. Quickly, do it.
Wow. He was so confident of marrying my daughter. Listen, start preparing for the celebration.
Oh no, why did you open the window?
As soon as 1 month passed, Kirti reached the palace the very next day to marry the princess. Seeing all the rabbits safe, Queen Ketki put forward a strange condition in front of Kirti.
Bring 3 sacks.
You don't have to fill them with any objects, but with your own words. Can you do it?
Yes, with your permission, I can certainly try.
Go ahead.
Once upon a time, there was a powerful king whom everyone feared in the kingdom. But one day, an ordinary shepherd made him wash his clothes, massage his dirty feet, and polish his shoes.
Oh no, he knows everything.
The name of that king was...
Stop! It's filled. It's filled. The sack is full.
But there are still 2 more sacks left, my king. Once there lived a very beautiful queen. But one day, listening to an ordinary shepherd, she sewed his torn clothes and trimmed the wool of his sheep. The queen's name was...
Stop it! Stop it!
Enough. It's enough.
Once upon a time, there was a very beautiful princess who fell in love with a shepherd. She used to come to meet him every day on the hill.
It's done. Stop it now. Well done. You have passed this test too. You are blessed with a wealth of wisdom. Undoubtedly, we couldn't find a better match for the princess than you.
Wow, Amma! Kirti was really very, very smart.
Amma, the king tried hard to break his promise, but you don't do that, please.
I kept my promise by telling you a story.
Amma, you promised to tell us a story in the evening. It's still afternoon. Now you have to tell a story in the evening as well.
Yes.
Now you can't break your promise, Amma.
Okay. I'll tell you a story in the evening too.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.